Oh man, guys, I thought we wouldn't see the day for a long time from now, but I pulled up to a thrift. My camera has no memory card in it, so welcome to a brand new episode of a trip to the thrift. The phone files like pick up the phone, baby. It's lit. Anyways, guys, yeah, so I was in the store. I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna record. I don't got my memory card or whatever. But then, like, just look at the cart. The cart is just ignorantly draped with gear, so I might as well show you guys what we got, man. Big logo Adidas jacket, you feel me? And sorry for the dip in quality. You guys know what time it is. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. So I got that thing on me, that salmon nautica plaid interior. Oh my god, looking like some frat guy shorts or looking like my drawers on the low. Perfect. Sorry to get some of you lads a little bit moist in here. Yeah, you also got this Adidas vintage windbreaker, forest green, white, black. Oh my god. This will go great with the Travis 4s. You guys know, man, if you want any of this, thriftheavenvintage.com. But yeah, you got the Cardinals all embroidered like a powder or a light baby blue color jacket. Man, now this gym is like $8. It is a Helly Hansen heavy down jacket, you feel me? Got duplicate alphabets, you know what I'm saying? It's like HHIJKLMNOP. You got this beautiful starter jacket right here. Again, the same colors as the Adidas one. It's just beautiful. It's like $5. Vintage Levi's jacket, like $12. Even though it's fuck 12, but hey, in this case, you know what, I'll still take it. And that's not even the end of it. This is exactly why I had to record this. Angels, you guys know I'm blessed. This might be a child's jersey. I don't know if I'll get that actually. Live realizations. And then you have the beautiful golden cock on this Adidas jersey. And then last and not least, dude, it's Paul Plantu in the building. Yo, bro, we never cut, even when people are trying to get by. I do apologize though. We have this beautiful, you know what I'm saying, little miniature pair of Air Jordans. So yeah, I mean, the phone file starting off with a bang. I've only gone through like this rack really, and you know what time it is, dude? We out here. Yo, look at this, dude. Polo Sport, put that thing in sport. This is like black on black, monochromatic type of color scheme. $13. I don't really mind that. It's just like such a crispy polo essential. Dude, I have to divulge. Guys, people have been snoozing in here. Elderly uncle swag, grandpa steez. Let's go. Chaps Ralph Lauren. Just look at that embroidery. Swagnificent. All right, guys. Yo, shout out the homie Isaac one time for the one time. Just, you know, came through, show love in the thrift. But peep this, bro. Hidden in the t-shirt section, misplaced. But you know what? I found it. You got the all embroidered hometown Houston heater. You guys know, man. H-Town, Texas, Braeswood, baby.
It's H-Town, Texas, Braeswood, baby.
It's that boy Morgan Ensberg, huh? I think his middle name is my first name, but his first name is a female's. Hey, it is what it is. Hey, also, man, you got the canned green bean colorway. Polo jeans by Ralph Lauren. You know what I'm saying? Dude, this like bipolar exposure on this phone camera, tweaking. But this piece is clean. Let's get it. Guys, look at this little pink ice cream polo piece. Hey, but I got a couple more little jacket finds real quick. And yeah, my ears are freezing in here. Nah, you got this dope little bike, like Rocky's color scheme jacket. This thing is nice, man. It's only like $4, so I figure, you know what, I'll throw it on site for like $10, $11. It's just such a high quality vintage piece. And then I have a learning disabled bird on this super vintage Cardinals jacket as well. Just, man, this store is low-key smacking today, dude. Just like an abusive parent, just all right, guys, you won't believe it. I stopped in the Goodwill down the street. I left the giant Mickey. Unfortunately, I was just like, $10 is kind of a lot. I don't know where I would need him to be, but for $4, you get the more swaggy Mickey. You know, dude got the cargo pants on. Look at that pocket for narcotics. Got the Mickey shirt with his own name on it. And it appears he kind of has a lazy eye. Perfect, man.
Perfect.
He can't be, you know what I'm saying? He can't have 20/20 vision in 2020. You know what I'm saying? That's just too much. But look at this. You also got a Marvin the Martian. He does have 20/20 vision, but I mean, this dude is like from the future, so it's acceptable. This dude has the biggest Interstellar Converse on his feet.
Nice.
Very high quality. Also got that broom on head, so you know you could use this as like a little cleaning utensil. And then you have this bear who looks like someone set the woods on fire on some non-smoky stuff, but the woods also doubled as a grow operation, because look at those eyes.
Smoke weed every day.
This dude is tweaking brand new tags. That's crazy. But then they also got, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? The little knit runners. These look like a weather map. Facts. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be joking me. Guys, look at this too. Tommy for who? Your mommy. Just look at the little stripages. Where's the crest? Look at that weird, odd crest placement. I don't know why they put like logos right here, but hey, it is what it is. Some people might have like oddly spaced or malfunctioning belly button locations, bro. I don't know what I'm saying sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Hey, legit, the only like female rendition of a sport I will probably partake in, no offense. Dang it. Man, the feminist god cursing me right now, Venus. No, you have the USA Nike women's soccer jersey, dry fit. I will watch women's UFC though. That should be cracking off, bro. Oh, yes. All right, guys, so we just jumped out of that Goodwill. Look at this. Another stupid fat bag full of stuff. Dude, a bug flew in my nose when I got in that store, which I think in some cultures is like a sign of good luck and fertility. But man, I honestly think that bitch is nesting in my brain, because like ever since it like delved into my freaking third facial cavity, and she just felt mad like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I love when sound effects are a great way to just express an overall vibe. Anyways, there's one more store in the area, so I'm gonna go there. We're at the next spot, man, Value Village. All right, there it is. There's an old head dude rocking the like Justin Timberlake Jordan 3s in a suit jacket. Swag. All right, my class and brethren, we're in the next spot right now, and there were a couple, you know, couple little tings. You got that Nautica big old puffer vest. This is like 12 bucks. But then for half of that, for the cool price of 6, you got the Champion. Look at that overexposed tag. Look at that overexposed face. There you go. Come on, bro. See, this is why I really should upgrade. I got like an iPhone 8, bro, and this thing is just absolutely tripping right now. But hey, you know what? Still finding fire. Oh, not too shabby for daddy. Guys, I swear, the front-facing camera is better, or the selfie camera, excusez-moi, just shows our vanity nowadays. But look at this, guys. You got like a vintage Malcolm X-esque little hooded, I don't know, I guess cut and sew t-shirt. Nah, Ethiopia? It's $3. I thought this was newer until I looked at that tag, and of course I saw that Wrecking Ball silver zipper pull tab. You know what, I'll grab you. Oh man, guys, we got some bad news. This store is straight vibe assassinating me right now. Like, my vibe has been murdered. There ain't much in here, man. You know, this store is rather lackluster today. But one last thing I found is that vintage Gap. I love nothing more than some old Gap. Shout out your grandma, bruh. Let's get out of here. I'm cool as shit, bruh. What's happening, bro?
Video, bro?
Yeah, what's good?
What's up, man?
Oh, you good,
Remember
bro?
from last time?
Yeah, hell yeah.
What's up, bro? Hey, can I shout out my homie real quick?
Yeah.
Shout out David. I'm sorry you couldn't be here. I met him twice.
Damn, David.
0 times, bro.
Come on, man. You also got the homie right here as
What
well.
up, player?
Hey, if you guys need some furniture, tell them where to go.
Hit me up at Cons in Webster, Texas. Ask for Diego.
You heard me. So if y'all need furniture, get Diego some commission, bruh. Anyways, there are a couple little schlight pieces in here. You got the bumblebee color scheme. Oh my God, that's vicious. Got the little green horse on it. But I also found another little polo piece right here. Nothing too serial. It always is cool though when the homies are in the store just showing love, bro. But look at this. Oh my God, this looks like that bluefish or rainbow fish. Yeah, rainbow fish, like book, but on a button up. Let's get it. Guys, this is mad suspicious. They just have the blade poking out the pocket. Dang, man, this is what happens when your grandfather goes to prison, comes out, and still thinks he's in that penitentiary life, bro. This is just that. Whoa, what is this? I don't even know what this is used for. I guess like exotic cheeses. Oh, look at that brand name, boy. That Laguailoli. I'm illiterate. Dang, what you mean? Hey, they brought the fresh rack. I don't know if I made a complete sentence. They brought out a fresh rack. And look what was on it, the little tomato-esque Portugal jersey. Oh, it's beautiful. Ballin'. Ooh, all right, look at that, son. Look at that, look at that. Okay, look at this. Got a bag full of stuff again. Another store, another bag. Absolutely perfect. We'll go to one more just because it's across the street and I'm on a motherfucking roll. I'm like butter. Okay, that's corny, but love you. All right, and we're in Goodwill right now, guys. I came straight to the furniture section. Very rare considering most of the time I'm out here for the clothes. You should already know, but they have the beautiful lawn chair, and right next to it, look at that metal shelf, dude. Perfect. I'm gonna sell this for scrap. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna put some plants on here because it is Paul Plant 2 season. I can't wait to put this on my porch and just have my vining plants just wrapping all up and down that bad boy. It's like 15 bucks. I don't know, I feel like I might low-key, high-key be getting robbed, but at the same time, it's here, I'm here, and we need each other. Oh, never mind, this hoe busted. This is like every single Tinder date ever, dude. This girl's out here be tricking. And you know it ain't tricking if you got it. T.I.
She can have what she want. She won't. You know what I'm saying? Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.